Come on down. Okay. Good afternoon. This is Mr. Arlanza Lewis.
So Mark,
He's going to be our model for today. We're going to introduce him by let him talk a little bit about his business. So he got the floor, actually the table.
Good morning. I'm Arlanza Lewis. On Instagram, I'm the real Mr. Everything, spelled out the real Mr. Everything.
So how long have you been doing your renovations?
For about 2 years.
Okay.
2 years. I've lived several lives. In the military, I was an Army officer, combat medic first. I'm also a licensed barber and cosmetologist, but in this life, I do renovations.
Okay.
So I rely on Mark heavily.
So we are going to be doing another edition of for my YouTube channel, where we're going to be working on his feet first. So a little bit of reflexology, a little bit of hot and cold therapy. You may see a blend of some lymphatic drainage. It'll be a few different types of techniques, okay? So stay tuned, and we're going to be doing a little change up. And he'll be starting face up on my table, and just stay tuned. Thanks again for dropping in.